Guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. If not, I hope it gets better for you. So, going to be showing off some stuff that we got on the STI. Hood's open for another video I'm going to do. But I got these fender garnishes, whatever you want to call them. I got those, and then I got the front bumper, or the front emblems. These are kind of a pain to get off. I heated them up. I probably spent 30 minutes on the front one, 30 minutes on the rear. The side ones aren't hard. If you heat them up with a heat gun, you can open your door and then pry up on these. A couple of things that I did want to talk about. So I had tried using the overlays like these. These are terrible. I spent probably 25 minutes. I bought 2 sets, spent probably 25 minutes, had my wife, she tried the same thing. So really all that I have now is I have it on my water bottle. So the fronts, I mean, they come out pretty good. Basically it's 2-piece, so I would heat it up, pry it off, and then I cleaned it up with some Goo Gone, get all the leftover junk off. And then the problem with these was the front didn't have enough double-sided tape or 3M tape. So I actually had a roll of it, small roll, just kind of laying around, and I used that on the front because the tape that's on there is thinner than what the factory emblems have. So put that on there. That was easy. The other one's fine. This one has started to pop up, which I've got it now. I went back through and added some double-sided tape to it, which was fine. Sorry about the trash. I did some home renovation and waiting on trash days tomorrow, so that'll go. And then this big pile of crap over here will go on big trash day here in a few weeks. So this one was fine. Took the old one off, put the new one on, and the tape on here was just thick enough. Alright guys, follow up on the Molded Innovation fender garnishes and the front emblems. So far, I think I've had them on the car for about 3 months, 4 months now. Yeah, it's been that long since I've done a video. See, this does look like it's popped out just a little bit, but it's not really anything too much of a concern for myself. And the front one I can't get to because my toolbox is there. And this one came out fine. Like I said, it's been probably 3 or 4 months. I think they're fine. I mean, it's not really too much to talk about. Their customer service was great. When I initially ordered them, I ordered the black and purple. There was no option. They were a limited run. They sold out. They emailed me probably within, I'd say 24, maybe 48 hours of actually ordering it, but it went to my spam folder. I didn't see it for a couple days. They were super helpful, back and forth emailing, asking about what I wanted. I gave them some color options. They told me and got them ordered. And they were here pretty quick. So Subimods customer service is great. The Molded Innovation quality is, it's really good. It may fade, I don't know, but so far I've had really good luck with it, and I will definitely order them again. So appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like stuff about the video, tell me about it. If there's stuff you don't like, tell me about it. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.